supposed to do that.
He's back, ladies and gentlemen. The 20-time champion, the world record holder, Larry Spiderman McBride. It's been a very difficult time. It started with a knee replacement, then an appendectomy, kidney infection, mysterious illness. But Larry, here we are. We're finally back at the track.
I'm a little nervous for sure. You know, I think if you ever lose that part of it, you should not get on it. So I got a lot of respect for my motorcycle, and I know it's really, really fast. Well, you know, here, this is a little short stopping for us, so we're not going to try to run a quarter mile.
Ready? Okay.
Stevie, what in the world? What in the world? I thought he was going easy.
Actually, it looks like it. It actually looks like that he carried it a little further than we had planned there. So,
572, 220.
we'll leave here with a 572.
Wow. 572, 220.
A new track record for Palm Beach International Raceway. 572, 220. Good job on the racetrack.
All right.
My goodness. Wow.
220.
Unbelievable. Spider-Man McBride, you are one bad dude.
The 60-foot didn't show up on the board.
572, 220. Unbelievable. He told me he wasn't going to go that fast here.
That's what he said.
That's what he...
378 at 207, and then 72 at 220.
And you know what's really cool, guys? Before we shut this great drag strip down, they saw a 5-second motorcycle run. The first 5-second run at Palm Beach Raceway. How about it?
Whoops!
We couldn't shut down Palm Beach without a 5. 572, ladies and gentlemen. He is a bad man, Larry Spiderman McBride. I think his brother's a little nervous, a little in awe. How about a 572, huh? We thought we were going to see some shut-off passes. What do you think, guys? 572 worth coming out?
Larry laying on it there.
Holy moly.
Yes, sir.
Incredible.
Bernard said he want to ride it.
Oh, yeah, you know I would if I had it.
chance.
Yeah, I might ride it to 60 feet. I don't know about that. That's crazy, man. 220. Thank God he's got a parachute and a carbon brake.
Okay.
That's the problem with Larry. If it feels good, he might not be able to shut her off.
He's from the old school.
Yes, he is.
Good. Ride it.
Ride it. Steve was shaking his head. I think he's in awe. Doesn't know what to make of it. But guys, let's put this in perspective. That test pass, again, only 3 piston-powered motorcycle racers have ever been quicker than that in competition on full passes. You got Philippou Papa Philippou 566, Peter Svensson 570, Dave Vantine 571, and McBride just lays down a 572 here in testing on a shut-off pass. Unbelievable. And shout out Eric DeBull too. He's been quicker on a rocket, but that's not a piston-powered motorcycle, but that's still wild. What in the heck? What was that?
I wasn't supposed to do that.
Congratulations.
But it was pretty smooth. So,
Woo, how long do you think you held it?
I mean, I shut off before the 1,000 foot.
Wow, 572, 220. You know what is so cool that I was talking about? There's never been a 5-second motorcycle run at Palm Beach International Raceway. So if this place is going away, you shut her down with a 5.
I'm telling you. I told the guys, I'm sorry, man. It was pretty smooth. And I said, you know, felt pretty good. So I held it on a little further than I was supposed to. So.
Were you able to get stopped okay?
Oh, yeah.
No problems at all?
Didn't even have to use the chute. So
Man, that's awesome.
just thank God for carbon brakes.
Woo! You got this thing on rails this year.
Yeah.
You know, here's some food for thought that's crazy. I was doing the math in my head. Only 4 guys, including yourself, have ever been quicker than that number in competition, full pulls. You, Peter Svensson, Dave Vantine, and Philippou Papa Philippou. And you're doing it on a shut-off pass this year. How is that possible?
Well, you know, my brothers worked awful hard. We've got a lot of good help with, you know, Bill Miller Engineering and, you know, Charlie, Roe, and Chuck. They work hard. And John, they all work super, super hard. And, you know, I got to give my hats off to my brother. He has worked so hard on this motorcycle over the last 14 months, just doing all the new changes and just so much stuff. I mean, you know, he'd be there till 9, 10 o'clock at night, you know, working on this thing. And it's just, I don't know, my hat's off to him, and I'm just proud to be able to ride it. And it was pretty smooth. Like I say, I wasn't supposed to do that, but it was pretty smooth. So I said, you know what, let's just shut it off right around the 1,000. And so I was right there at the 1,000 foot when I shut it off. I mean, that was probably a, you know, it would have been in the 60s, probably, you know, somewhere around 260, I would imagine.
Wow.
So, you know, I feel pretty good, you know. Bill Miller's not going to be real happy with me, but I'm going to call him and see if I can ease that in a little. Hey, man, I'm going to tell him, no, I know you're not going to be happy with me, but I carried it a little too far, but it was super, super smooth. Got a little loose out there in the middle, but it was still going right nice and straight. And, you know, I don't know what else to say other than just proud to be the pilot to this motorcycle.
Great job, man. Great things to come. I think it's safe to say that machine's got a 40 inner.
I'm gonna blame it on Wayne and Donna Pingel.
It's their fault.
Yeah, it's their fuel valve that created the problem.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and their hand grips. I mean, for some reason that throttle didn't want to work. I mean, it wanted to stay on a little longer than it was supposed to. So I'm gonna blame that one on Wayne and Donna.
There you go. Well, I totally understand it, and I'm glad you were safe. And bravo, great run.
Thank you, Jack. Appreciate you being here.
What an amazing run by the Spider-Man. Guys, please join me down below in the comments. Welcome back, Larry. Thank you guys for all the share, all the support. Big year coming in. Hey, unfortunately, this may be our last video from Palm Beach International Raceway. Let's hope not. Let's hope this drag strip stays where it's at. But it sounds like it won't, sadly. But what a memory. What a way to take it out. Larry McBride, 572. Thanks so much, guys. Welcome back, Larry.